Ever wonder how money grows? It's not magic, it's all about interest. Interest is a powerful tool that can help your money multiply over time. Imagine planting a seed and watching it grow into a tree. That's what interest does to your money. It helps it grow, little by little, day by day. Interest is the extra money you earn when you lend your money to someone else. When you deposit money in a bank, the bank uses it to lend to others. In return, they pay you interest. It's like renting out your money and getting paid for it. The more you lend, the more you earn. They pay you for the privilege of using your hard-earned cash. Pretty cool, right? This means your money isn't just sitting idle. It's working for you, even when you're not thinking about it. Over time, these small amounts of interest can add up to a significant sum, helping you achieve your financial goals faster. There are different types of interest, but today we're focusing on the simplest one, simple interest. Simple interest is straightforward and easy to understand. It's calculated on the original amount of money you invested or loaned out, known as the principal. Unlike compound interest, which can get a bit complicated, simple interest is like the ABCs of finance. It's like the ABCs of finance, easy to understand and calculate. To calculate simple interest, you use the formula, interest equals sign, principal x rate x time. This means the interest you earn is directly proportional to the amount of money you invest, the interest rate, and the time period for which you invested. It's a great way to start understanding how your money can grow. So buckle up as we take a fun and informative ride through the world of simple interest. We'll explore how you can use this basic financial concept to your advantage, making your money work harder for you. Whether you're saving for a big purchase, planning for retirement, or just looking to grow your wealth, understanding simple interest is a crucial first step. Let's dive in and see how it all works. Imagine loaning your friend your favorite video game. You might ask them to give you a small something extra when they return it, right? That's the basic idea behind interest. It's like rent for your money. When you deposit money in a savings account, the bank is essentially borrowing that money from you. They use it to make loans to other people and businesses. In return, they pay you interest. It's a win-win situation. Don't let the word interest scare you. Simple interest is, well, simple. It's calculated only on the principal amount you initially put in. No complicated formulas, no confusing jargon, just straightforward math. This means that the interest earned remains the same over the entire period of the loan or investment. This makes it easy to calculate and predict how much money you'll earn or have to pay back. Ready for the magic formula? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. To calculate simple interest, all you need are three things: the principal amount, P, the interest rate, R, and the time period, T. Multiply these three together and voila, you have your simple interest, I. The formula looks like this: I equals sign PX RXT. Don't worry, we'll break down each component in detail. Section 5. What's the P all about? It's your principal. The P in our formula stands for the principal amount. This is the original sum of money you're lending or investing. Think of it as the seed you plant to grow your money tree. The larger the principal, the more interest you can earn. It's like planting a bigger seed. You'll get a bigger tree and more fruit. Section 6. R. You ready for the interest rate? Next up is R, the interest rate. This tells you the percentage of the principal you'll earn as interest over a specific period. It's usually expressed as a yearly percentage. For example, an interest rate of 5% means you'll earn $5 in interest for every $100 you lend or invest for a year. The higher the interest rate, the faster your money grows. Section 7. Time is money. T tells you how much. Last but not least, we have T, which represents time. This is the duration for which the principal is borrowed or invested, typically expressed in years. Time is a crucial factor in calculating simple interest. The longer your money is invested, the more interest it will accrue. It's like letting your money tree grow taller and stronger over time. Section 8. Real-life examples. Simple interest in action. Let's bring the simple interest formula to life with some real-world examples. Understanding how simple interest works can help you make better financial decisions, whether you're saving money, lending it, or even borrowing it. Imagine you deposit $1,000 in a savings account that offers a 2% annual interest rate. This is a common scenario for many people who want to grow their savings over time without taking on too much risk. How much interest will you earn after 1 year? This is a straightforward calculation that can help you understand the benefits of saving money in an interest-bearing account. Using our formula I equals P times R times T, we get I equals $1,000 times 0.02 times 1, which equals $20. This formula is simple, yet powerful, allowing you to quickly determine the interest earned over a specific period. You'll earn $20 in interest after 1 year. Simple, right? This might not seem like a lot, but over time, and with larger amounts, the interest can really add up. Let's try another one. You lend your friend $500 at a 3% annual interest rate for 2 years. Lending money to friends or family can be a way to help them out while also earning a bit of interest. How much interest will they owe you? This is another practical example that shows how simple interest can be applied in everyday situations. Using the formula again, I equals $500 times 0.03 times 2, which equals $30. This calculation shows how the interest accumulates over a longer period. Your friend will owe you $30 in interest after 2 years. This example illustrates the importance of understanding interest rates and how they affect the total amount owed or earned over time. Simple interest is a fundamental concept in finance that can be applied in various scenarios. Whether you're saving for a big purchase, planning for retirement, or just trying to make the most of your money, understanding how simple interest works can help you achieve your financial goals. Financial advisors often use simple interest calculations to help clients understand the potential growth of their investments. By knowing how much interest you can earn, you can make more informed decisions about where to put your money. There are many tools and apps available today that can help you calculate simple interest and plan your finances. These tools can provide quick and easy ways to see how your money can grow over time. Educating yourself about simple interest and other financial concepts is a great way to take control of your financial future. There are many resources available, from books to online courses, that can help you deepen your understanding. Setting clear financial goals and understanding how interest works can help you stay on track and achieve your objectives. Whether it's saving for a vacation, a new car, or even a house, knowing how to calculate simple interest can make a big difference. Reaching your financial milestones can be incredibly rewarding. By using simple interest calculations, you can see the progress you're making and stay motivated to keep saving and investing. Many people have achieved their financial goals by understanding and applying simple interest. Sharing your success story can inspire others to take control of their finances and start planning for their future. Teaching others about simple interest and financial literacy can have a positive impact on your community. By spreading knowledge, you can help others make better financial decisions and improve their lives. Regularly reviewing your financial progress and adjusting your plans as needed can help you stay on track. Simple interest calculations can be a valuable tool in this ongoing process. With a solid understanding of simple interest, you can look forward to a brighter financial future. Keep learning, stay informed, and make the most of your money. Section 9. Simple interest versus compound interest. What's the difference? Today, we dive deep into understanding these two fundamental concepts in finance. We've explored the world of simple interest, but there's another type of interest you should know about: compound interest. Simple interest is straightforward. It's calculated only on the principal amount, which is the initial sum of money you invest or borrow. While simple interest is calculated only on the principal, compound interest is like interest on interest. This means that with compound interest, the interest you earn each period is added to the principal, so you earn interest on the new, larger amount in the next period. With compound interest, the interest earned is added back to the principal, and future interest is calculated on the new, larger amount. This process of earning interest on both the initial principal and the accumulated interest from previous periods can significantly increase your investment over time. This leads to exponential growth over time, making it a powerful tool for long-term savings. The magic of compound interest lies in its ability to grow your money faster than simple interest. The longer you leave your money invested, the more pronounced the effect of compounding becomes. For example, if you invest $1,000 at an annual interest rate of 5%, with simple interest, you would earn $50 each year. However, with compound interest, your earnings would increase each year as the interest is calculated on the growing principal amount. Over time, this can lead to substantial growth in your investment, making compound interest a key concept to understand for anyone looking to build wealth. Section 10. Time to recap. The key takeaways of simple interest. Let's recap the key points we've covered. Simple interest is a fundamental financial concept that's easy to understand and calculate. It's calculated using the formula y equals p times r times t, where p is the principal, r is the interest rate, and t is the time period. Simple interest has various applications in real-life scenarios, from calculating interest earned on savings accounts to determining the interest owed on loans. Section 11. Simple interest in your pocket. Practical applications. Understanding simple interest empowers you to make informed financial decisions. You can use it to compare different savings accounts, calculate the cost of borrowing money, and even plan your investments. The next time you encounter interest rates, loans, or investments, remember the simple interest formula. It's a valuable tool to have in your financial arsenal.